POV, birthday mo and nalaman mong pwede ka mag-free buffet sa Vikings. Yes, on the exact day of your birthday, just bring one full paying adult and libre ka
For
na. For weekdays, ang rate ay 1,138 and on weekend and holiday, adult rate is 1,238. Dito kami kumain sa Vikings SMBF Parañaque. And honestly, sobrang organized nila. From online reservation pa lang hanggang pagdating namin sa brunch, ang smooth ng flow, walang stress. Pagdating sa food, grabe ang choices. May Filipino, may Japanese, Korean, Italian, Greek, Chinese, at nagulat pa ako kasi may Indian food na super na-enjoy ng anak ko. Sa drinks pa lang, sobrang dami ng choices. May beer, may sagot gulaman, ba't ibang klaseng juices, kape, at kung ano-ano pa. At sila ang pinakamaraming ice cream flavor sa lahat ng buffet restaurant sa napuntahan namin. Kaya naman, kung paparating na birthday mo or may birthday sa pamilya mo, consider Vikings. Especially kung gusto mo ng walang hassle, organized at sulit na celebration. You can also book via Klook and use my promo code MamiLeviClook to get additional discounts. Yun lang. Thanks for watching. Bye!